Inyuma ho Minisita Henry Musasiza akagira ngo gavumenti chine sente zo kutungura Kabale okugita Orurembo rwa City kandi kikareta obufuki omu mitima y'abantu.
Tihari mutasa yona sana kuleta ngasitaha ngoyonjereho memba wa parliament ndijo ngoyonjereho manya Minisita road meya kebyo emishoro ngem president Yoweri Museveni twayishirizine nawe ebya city n'izindi administrative units tubite harubaye.
Because even in 2021 when we were campaigning for President Museveni and NRM candidates, we used this city as a tool.
Aha nyuma y'ebigambo bya Minisita Musasizi bamwe abantu ababire besimire cya Kabale kuza Orurembo rwa City bakatandika hentebe kanisa ya Kabale City Claim Forum nekigenderwa cyo gukoresha uko basika okureba gavumenti yagumza munentebe kanisa zo kutungura municipality G.
Even in 2021 when we were campaigning for President Museveni and NRM candidates, we used this city as a tool to get votes from our people in the region, in the Agacencwire region. So now how shall we now go back to our voters in the sub-region that the city is not coming?
Minisita Mageza garize mu abatura amasiko bwabiri naganiraho n'abeebembezi ba municipality ya Kabale kandi abahamize ku cyahwire Kabale municipality nije kutungurwa okuza Orurembo rwa City.
We still have time up to 26. Any creation of administration units or operationalization shall be handled as we go towards the next election. So don't allow this matter to be an issue of discussion. Now you can divide the community for nothing.
Bitentebe kanisa n'ubuzirawe n'izigendo misho Minisita Mageza ashabira abeebembezi okugira bakora ubwo bategerizo kwakira Orurembo rwabo.
So just continue working imwe nk'abeebembezi ba Kabale municipality mwongere kugiteka mutindo physical planning abantu kombeka bagendira plan turika kugitwara nk'icyaro kandi tukwenda muri zasi level y'ibizimbi enje yitwata amakagito tukubasa kubori plan aho kibuga kitu oka proving okichereza ngo umuntu naza kombeka factory eruku teka omwika muhango ninga obuhunga umbantu kandi factory akagitoko agati yama ibarukura.
So we still need this city, and as people who believe in development, as people who want to see Kigezi developed, then this city must be supported.
Ishenjero rukahinguza municipalities 15 kutungurwa kuza Orurembo rwa City kandi harimo Kabale, Moroto na Kasongora hamwe na Wakiso kandi zibire zirye zo kutandika hari kibanza cyo kwezi kwa Mushanjo mwaka ogu gasha kwa job na manyo muri Kabale.